guys, good morning. We are here at Admiral and we are trying their breakfast buffet. So Admiral is located sa Rojas Boulevard area. Okay, ganda ng kanilang lounge. Oh. Mamaya tignan natin yung kanilang mga intricate designs. So we are at the 9th floor and we are going to check their breakfast. Hi guys, so ito yung mga kinuha namin. Adobo, what do you call that? Papa, tocino, and also we got this arroz caldo. This is also, ano to, mami o chicken?
Chicken noodles.
Chicken noodles, and of course may omelette sila and kalan. Oatmeal, daing na bangus with fried chicken, and roast tomato, and muesli, roll, and veggies. So, kain na tayo. Guys, they have detox juice. It's pure, no?
Yeah.
Oo. So, ang daming selections. Actually, I saw it kanina. Guys, welcome to Cebu Pacific.
Bagong sideline.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to start eating. So, okay, so we have this arroz caldo for a start. Mukhang masarap siya. And then I also got this egg lang sa tabi ng arroz caldo. Let's try it.
Cook ang noodle.
Masarap na arroz caldo. This is chicken adobo. Masarap actually. Chicken ba ito o beef? Pork. Ang sarap din ng chicken ng adobo actually. Whether chicken siya or kung ano. High quality din yung kanilang mga greens.
Yeah.
Cheesy omelette. Cheesy omelette. Ang sarap. Alam mo, sarap ng mga food nila.
Huh?
Ang sarap ng mga food nila. Yung breakfast nila pang international taste. No? Masarap din ang omelette.
Sobrang okay.
Sarap ng food nila. Sarap ng food nila. Yung salad nila ang sarap. Ang sarap ng Caesar dressing. Ang sarap ng Caesar dressing. Sobrang creamy yung dressing. Ang sarap ng food nila dito, no? Let's try the fried chicken.
Pero sarap ng tocino mo.
Parang lahat masarap. Try natin ito sino masarap na.
Ang sarap.
Yan. Fresh na ano. Pampangas best tocino.
Hindi naman.
Pero ang sarap. Masarap.
Purong laman pa.
Masarap.
Diba?
We ordered latte and
Americano.
Americano.
And apple juice. Pure.
Nasa na siya? This one is pure apple juice. Actually, sobrang dami talaga ng mga pure juices niya.
And detox juice.
Detox. Parang combination siya na ano?
Orange, watermelon, apple. Yun yung nalasahan ko.
Based on taste. Lahat ng fruits fresh.
Yeah.
And hindi lang fresh.
Madami.
So guys, ang breakfast nila dito starts at 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. And ang price niya is 1,888 net per person. So, breakfast nila is Monday to Sunday naman. And then, ang lunch nila, if you're interested also, it's 2,688 net per person. It's Monday to Friday. And ang kanila, it's 12 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. And ang kanilang Saturday to Sunday to Sunday brunch, they call it brunch, it's 3,680 net per person. Sorry. Dinner buffet is 3,088 net per person. So that's it. Admiral is located here in front of Manila Bay.
Ang laki ng Manila Bay.
Admiral Hotel is located here at Rojas Boulevard. Perfect view of Manila Bay. And
Mamaya
Manila
pakita
Yacht
natin.
Club. Yeah.
Pakita namin yung view sa labas.